Let's talk about monitoring. I'm Dr. Edie Witter with Orca, and we're focused on using science to find real solutions for the Indian River Lagoon. At Orca, our goal is to find where pollution is entering the lagoon so we can get it stopped before it gets into the water. We have monitoring stations called Kilroys. They monitor a whole range of variables like nutrients, blue-green algae, and oxygen turbidity, all the things we need to know to be able to figure out what's going on in the lagoon. We collect sediment off the bottom of the lagoon and test it for a variety of pollutants so that we can create pollution gradient maps that show the hot spots of different types of pollutants in the lagoon. We've recently started adding air quality stations because aerial pollution may also be a source of pollution entering the lagoon. We do monitoring before and after the installation of buffered shorelines and living shorelines in order to determine how well our interventions are working. Monitoring is absolutely critical to restoring the health of the Indian River Lagoon. We need to have benchmarks to be able to figure out whether we're making it better rather than worse. To learn more about Orca's monitoring, go to teamorca.org.